What up, squad? So I'm just doing a vlog today, man. Going to the car wash right now. Not even the car wash. I'm actually heading to the dealership, man, and just to get my car washed. Cause you know your boy ain't gonna do that right now with this heat. You know, it's Texas heat, man. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't experienced this type of heat, man, you'll understand why you don't wash the cars, man, at this time. You'd rather let the dealership do it, you know what I'm saying? Look at the nice Phillies right there, looking nice. So yeah, these people right here will take care of my car, man, wash it down and get it cleaned up, get it ready for these events, you know, and yeah, so stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you guys the cars, how it looks when it's done. Pretty busy today, so it might take a little time. I want to say, man, since I'm waiting in line for this car wash or to get my info and all that, I just want to say, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, man. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe down the button down below and make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. I got a lot of cars, a lot of stuff with cars, man, a lot of vlogs and stuff like that, different types of stuff going on, man. So if you mess with the content, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what videos you like and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys. So let's get ready for this wash. She's pretty dirty right now, man, but yeah, it's kind of busy today, man.
We're getting a car wash today?
Yeah, man, just a quick hand wash.
All right.
I think like 30 minutes, an hour maybe now.
We're looking at about almost an hour right now.
That's cool. Yeah.
All right, man. I'll be right back.
All right, cool. Yeah, man, I didn't want to put him on camera, but that guy right there is a good guy. He already knew what's up when I came here. And yeah, so yeah, stay tuned, man. All right, guys, so the guy just took my car. Just getting ready for that wash. I'm doing a quick little walk around, man, show you some of the cars they got out here. I love this car, man, this Q60. It's not the red sport edition, but still a nice coupe, man. Real nice. I want to show you this black on black Cadillac, man. This thing right here is fire. I don't know if it's for sale or what's going on, but this thing is nice, man. See how they blacked out the headlights? Got the black wheels. It got a little bit of scrapes up in here, but man, I'm sure he'll take care of that. This thing is nice, man. I actually like this, man. What is this, CTS? Believe so, yeah. Guys, what you think of this Cadillac, man? Black on black. What's going on? Dope, 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 man. If we could just black out those chrome on the side windows, that'd be crazy. All right, guys. Man, this is a beast right here. CT6 all-wheel drive. Get out of here. 3.6 liters. This joint right here. Really presidential for reals. Man. You guys are... There goes my Maxima out there going to the wash. You guys, let me know, man. Is Cadillac doing good or what, man? Are you a fan of Cadillac or what? Comment down below and let me know. Man, this Q50 S Sport Edition 3.0 turbo. Real nice with that red, man. Got a nice bottom diffuser. Like the mufflers on there, man. Nice. If you get bored while you're at the dealership, play a little mini golf. Let's go inside. All right, guys, just got done with my car, man. Let's check it out. They're looking real nice. you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Crest NYC. Yep. Looking nice. All to the people over here at Crest. Man, y'all do a great job, man. Yep, I haven't got her a wash in a while, man. But it's looking real good. Good looking. Alright, squad. That might be it for the end of the video. Just wanted to do a quick vlog on a trip to Infinity Car Wash. And yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, please do subscribe to Crest NYC if you're new to the channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment, and all that. So let me take you around just parking lot real quick, show you some of the cars they got. Nissan gang, I see you. Man, usually, man, when I come up here, they got some nice cars, man. Like, especially at the pre-owned area. Man, last time they had like a Bentley and all kinds of stuff, Lamborghini, Gallardo. See, now they got a Z06. Real nice yellow. Ooh, they got a nice Mercedes. See what I'm saying, guys? Let me know. Look at a nice BMW right there. Nice. Actually, let me back out and I'm gonna show you guys the cars. I'm gonna get out and show you guys the cars, man. And like I was telling you, man, I'm gonna show you the cars in person. They got a beautiful M6 with the navy blue paint, man. Look at them calibers, look at the brakes, guys. Man, panoramic roof. It's locked. They usually have them open, man. Look at this beautiful LC 500, man, with the red and the black top. This is a beautiful car, man. My man, self-made, Deuce, paid. Follow him on Instagram. He got one of these in white and black. Man, he just let me know the other day that he got something coming for it. So stay tuned for it. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. Look at the interior, guys. Butter, peanut butter, man. I'm telling you, man. It's beautiful. Nice. We also got a Porsche Cayenne GTS with a nice gray, fogged out the tail lights with the black wheels. Beautiful car. All right, guys, I'm ready to head out, man. Just talking to the guys. Ready to head out, head to the house, watch this World Cup that I'm missing. Brazil's losing 2 from Belgium. Man, but let me show you this Volkswagen though, looking real nice. Man, this is wood. Man, these modded Volkswagen, they look so cool, man. I'm telling you, man. Especially that GTI R, man. That thing right there is another level. And of course, you got that Z06 I was showing you guys. Well, actually, not even the Z06. This is a Grand Sports. Nice. 3 of them got this kind of Z06, but he got that neon green fluorescent color to it that I think is really dope, man. That color on this, that wrap actually on his Grand Sports, it's official, man. It's official. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to head out, man. Nice people.